Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 2 of clearing the kitchen garden. So most of the plants were growing in some planters. So today is the second day of trying to clear all the dead vegetation, and just to make sure the planters are ready for growing new crops. So come with me as we clear off the dead vegetation, and as we try to to prepare the planters for the next growing season. Soon it will be winter, so I might look for winter crops to grow at this point in time. So let's just do the cleaning up and the clearing of any vegetation, dead vegetation in the planters. So come with me as we do this. Let's do this. My garden tool with me here, so it will be help me to go around the garden. So let's see how far we can go. So I'm going to do pot by pot. Basket where we are putting the dead vegetation or the dead leaves. Then we take this to the compost. Like, just take this one. We'll see if we can plant some winter crops, but we need to prepare the planters. That's the problem with corn. This is a stump. This is a stump of corn. This one here. We want this one. So you can dig down like this. Just to break the roots. Stump here. This stump here. This one. This stump here. I try to uproot it. So we finally took out this stump. This is from the corn. It's really strong. It was just like resisting. So I put it in here. So our planter is ready for the next crop. It's ready for the next crop. So this one is ready. We go on to the next one. This one is ready. Let's go to the next one. Then we'll bring the next one here. This one is the next one. Broad beans, and there's some garlic. This is like, yeah, garlic leaf. This one. So the stump of corn. So chives will go into this planter, and we already have celery in this planter. And we have rosemary in this planter. So, oh, this is a sweet potato, but it's not showing any progress. Maybe it will go to the... Oh, I got one, and now to try this one. This one, it requires, it's time for the tomato plant to go. So we just uproot it. The tomato plant is easy to uproot. Just look at that. So easy. There you go. It's out. It's out of the planter. As the corn. Convenient with scissors. Here, I will keep this one. Look at the leaf. Let me just spill this. Unexpected harvest. Beautiful potato. Look, some more garlic. What a wise idea. Look at that. And the little ones. We've done 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other day we did that one. We did this one here. This one here is too full. I will try and reduce this one. And we did this one and that one. So we've done a great job so far. Let's do the next planter. So here, there were tomatoes growing as well in here, but they are withering away, so we need to take them out. The tomato. Let's shake the soil off and break them for compost, or use the scissors. So it's ready for compost. Oh, you can see a small potato here. So this one, it's going to be some herbs. We'll put some herbs in here. This one, this beautiful planter. Maybe we'll put some, we might put some oregano. We'll put some oregano in here. Let's go to another one. The tidying up goes continuous. So we trim the peppermint. This planter had all the kale we needed, but the kale was destroyed by the aphids and the slugs and and the caterpillar, the butterfly caterpillars. They destroyed this planter. All the leafy greens were destroyed. So the best thing now is just to clear, just to try and start all over again. So what we are going to do is just remove all these mulching which was in here. Just remove the mulching. All this was basically for mulching the leafy greens, but it to no avail. I tried to no avail. So what I'm going to do now is just to try and break them, try and break the leafy greens, you know, and cut them, so that probably new ones might come up. You never know, because it's no point to keep these without any leaves. So let's just see. Oh, it's really hard to break them. We can try as best as we can try. It's really hard to break them. So let me just break them up, and then we start afresh, or even pull them if possible, anyway, to see what will happen. I think slugs destroyed these greens. Yeah, this is done. This planter here, this one, it had some kale in it. Look at that. It has some kale, and we can just try and start afresh. We just uproot the kale. There is corn growing as well, so we are going to put some herbs in here. Just uproot. So we have uprooted these stumps of corn, and we are going to grow some herbs in here. Grow some herbs in here. So this one is done. We have this one. This one is just tidying up, and it seems to be there were some. I just tied it up. It's too full, so we just tied it up. I planted some kale, but the kale is not doing well. The kale is not doing well. So we might add some more herbs into this plant as well. And here, oregano. So we're going to add some more organic manure. And this one, there's nothing growing in here. Let me just uproot everything. There's nothing growing in here. And just start afresh. We'll put some herbs again into this one. And this one, we had some kale growing in here. Look at that. This was kale, but the kale was destroyed by the slugs, so it's going to the compost. And we just tied up. We'll put more herbs into this one. Now the last one is this one over here. This is our last planter for today. This is our last planter. So we want just to tidy it up. And this planter has some peppermint. All this is peppermint. So let's just tidy it up. It's smelling so nice. The aroma is so good. So soon the peppermint, you just trim it, prune it like this. It will come up. It will come up and will enjoy the fresh peppermint. So it's good to trim it, you know. Just give it a trim, prune it. So this is our planter for peppermint. So I hope we have enjoyed preparing the planters. It's all about preparing the planters and making the garden a bit tidy. So now I'm going to pick all the debris from the floor, from the ground, pick every green stuff there, every, you know, dead vegetation, and take it to the compost.